this is Bonnie from Shanghai Langjue Ningbo U, and today I would like to show you around our mold factory. So come on. Okay. We can first take a look here. We have the mold and our CNC machining here. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. Okay. In our factory, we can make all kinds of mold sizes, from small sizes like this one, and also big sizes. And we can have that, and that big one, the big machine, which can make the size of 2 meters by 2.5 meters. Let's look at this big one. Our workers are doing some work here. Okay. Okay, come on. You can see almost all of our machines are operating now. Okay, this is our steel mold. This is a male mold and this is a female mold. And look at this one. This is a mold for our injection products. And those smaller ones are the pinholes. And this is the injection gate. Okay, we have also other molds are being made here, and they're not ready yet. So. Okay, almost forgot this one. For those parts that are very hard to be processed by CNC, we can also do the electric sparkling. Okay, really, here. Okay. So when all the parts are made here, we're gonna have them assembled, and so this is our assembling area. Come on. Okay. This is our big drilling machine, and this is a manual mining machine, for some poster work. And this is a grinding machine, the smaller guy. Okay, that's all for this part of our factory. And please stay tuned. We're gonna have more introduction of our factory, Shanghai Langjue Ningbo U. Thank you for watching.